So what's up, guys? We have been seeing a rabbit.
And there's rabbit tracks.
Yep, we've been seeing this rabbit out in the yard. Well, this morning I went out to feed the chickens and I seen its tracks out here in the snow. And it's also been leaving a little bit of poop behind. Ain't it, buddy? Let's go check it out. Come on.
Okay, I'm going to bed. I'm going to get ready.
Look here, buddy. Right here. Look here. Here's some rabbit droppings. Look here. You see them?
You're pooping?
Yep, that's rabbit poop.
Rabbit poop.
Yep, and look here. And that little rabbit has been going up under the vehicle out here, and it's been eating some grass. Eating the grass under the car. You see the rabbit droppings right there? Look here. Look here out in front of you. Right here. See its little tracks? And then you see the droppings?
And it's poop.
Yep, it's rabbit poop. And look here. See the little tracks? Look here. See the little tracks that's been going up under the car? Well, look over here. It's been going under the trampoline too. Look, here's the tracks. Look here, right here. Look at all these little tracks right here. Look here. Right here. See all these little tracks? Look here. This. You see these? You see them all? Those are rabbit tracks, and they're going up under the trampoline.
There's my footprints too.
Yeah, it sure is. Come
There's
over.
your footprints too.
Yeah. Look here. Look, here's this little rabbit. Look here. See the rabbit poop?
Yeah.
And see all the little rabbit tracks that's been going up under the trampoline to eat some grass.
There's there's the poop.
Yep, sure is. All
There's
right.
some more poop.
Look over here. You can see where this little rabbit's been going. Look over here. Let's follow its tracks. Want to?
Yeah.
Look over here. Look, that little rabbit has really been traveling up beside this building. Look over here beside the building. Look here. Look here, all its little tracks up through here. Those are, you see them? Look here. See all them little rabbit tracks?
Yeah.
Look, let's follow them.
Whoa. The turtle. Look, there's more rabbit tracks.
Yeah, sure is. Look there.
What?
That rabbit's going up in the mountains right here. Look here. That rabbit is going right up under this fence.
Right up here.
Yep. Okay. Right there. Rabbit's going right up under that fence, buddy, and it's going right up in the mountains.
Right up in the...
You want to check on the chickens real quick? That's a big thing of snow. Daddy tried to clean out the chicken yard so the chickens would... Ooh, get off of that. You're going to fall. Come on. Walk around. Let's say hi to the chickens.
Oh no. Who got footprints in it?
Yeah, those are Daddy's. All right, let's say hi to them, bud.
Say hi to them.
Let's see how they're doing.
Hi, chickens. Hi, chickens. It looks like chicken. Chickens. Is your mommy? Chickens. What are you doing there?
They are eating and drinking them some water.
I see some. I see. Dad, I see some eggs.
See if there's some eggs in there. I don't think they are, but look over there.
Watch out, chicken.
They ain't gonna bother you. Go on. They might move when you walk over there, but they're just gonna get out of your way. Okay?
Okay.
It's
what?
okay. Go over there and check. It's okay. They ain't gonna hurt you. You see any eggs? Nope. No eggs right now, but there will be.
There will be.
And we raised these chickens up by the eggs, didn't we, Tucker? Every one of these chickens. The big black one, we've had her for a little bit, but the rooster, he was hatched off, and the brown one, and don't do that. And the little white one right there, she come up from an egg. And then that big white one right there, she's the mommy. I'm pretty sure.
Daddy.
Or no, the
Daddy.
one back there is the mommy. All right, buddy.
Where's baby's mommy at?
It's one of them white ones right there.
Where is that black?
Right there.
That black chicken? Where's that black chicken's mommy at?
I don't know where his mommy's at, or her mommy's at. All right, come on. All right, Nelly girl. Here, come on. Come on, Bubby. Come on. Come on. Easy, Bubby. You're gonna fall. Yep. It sure is. Look at all these little rabbits, buddy. They've been. See right there? It's rabbit poop right there.
Yeah.
And little rabbits been going up under that trampoline, getting us something to eat. All right, come on.
See you later, guys. We're going inside and get warm.
Yeah, buddy.
Bye, bye.
Come on, Nelly girl. Come on. Here, Nelly. Breakfast time for you, girl. Here, girl. Yeah, those are ours. All right, let's go get warm. Come on.